I'm going to demonstrate now the very simple application of a remote buzzer using a pair of RD-11s. You push a button at one end, a buzzer rings at the other, separated by a maximum of a couple hundred feet. Now, when you first power on an RD-11, its default action is to search for another RD-11, and if so, the two of them will pair up. They will both set their D0 pins as input and their D1 pins as outputs, and they will both transmit their D0 pins to the other one's D1 pin, thus creating a virtual connection as a default action right out of the box. So here we have an RD-11 right out of the box, no special programming. I'm going to connect a 5-volt piezoelectric buzzer to its D1 pin and ground. And then I'm going to connect a 5-volt power supply. This is a 9-volt battery with a taped to a breadboard with a 7805 regulator on it and a LED and a switch. And there's 5 volts. Now that completes a standalone system. That guy is now searching for another like itself. There's another like itself, an RD-11 right out of the box. On this one I'm going to connect a push button to its D0 pin, and then I'm going to give it an identical power supply, 5-volt power supply, and that's all there is to it. The two are now cross-connected, and you can hear what happens. And there you go. The default action is to pair up, and you have a remote buzzer.